Hey, what's going on, everybody? So this is a really quick video. I'm going to make a jig. As you can see, all this wood is for drawers that I got to make for this cabinet build I'm going to do, and everything needs to be exact lengths. So real quick, we're going to make a piece that's going to sit on top of the miter saw that we can use so that everything is cut in the right lengths. So let's get started.
I'm going to make this all out of this scrap piece of 1/2-inch plywood I had left over from the coffee bar I made. If you haven't seen it, I did post pictures on my Instagram, video to come soon. But I cut down these pieces 1 to 10-inch wide and 2 to 4-inch wide first. And then I take the 2 4-inch wide pieces, put them on top of each other, and just kind of secure with brads in a couple places, and lay it on the miter saw to mark out about where the blade's going to cut. And then I go back and put the rest of the brad nails in there, and then I just use CA glue and attach this to the other 10-inch piece. I just make sure that it is lined up flush all around the side, and then use clamps to secure it down. And then now while it's clamped, I just pre-drill and then countersink for some screws, since the CA glue is really only temporary and is not going to hold it permanent. Once I get this done, then I'm going to take it back over to the miter saw, lay it on, make sure that it is flush with one side with how you're going to be able to set it up. And I take the clamps that I'm going to use, put them where I'm going to have them, mark out a spot because I'm going to recess this down so they don't stick out. So to drill this out, I just use a 1.25 inch Forstner bit, and I drill a little over halfway through the whole thing, a little bit into that second piece of plywood, and I come back with a chisel and a mallet and square up the holes just to make it look cleaner, and clean out the bottom so it sits in there flush. So I put it back on the miter saw, making sure that it's flush with the right side, put the clamps on and tighten them down. Now that it's clamped down, go ahead and make your cut. If you have a sliding miter saw like mine, you're going to need to adjust it where it just goes all the way through, so it's going to cut your material but also not cut through the whole fence, because you want to leave this all in one spot. So I use a tape measure, mark out how far from that kerf I want to cut, put a stop block down, and then I do a test cut to see how it is. So just use a scrap piece of plywood, cut it, and then I measure it so you can see that it is exactly 24 inches like it's supposed to. So this is a great project if you don't have a miter saw station and you need to make repeatable cuts that are longer than something you can do on the table saw. Definitely think about making this out of some scrap wood, because it's very easy and very effective. So thanks for watching the video, guys. I hope you liked it. I hope this helps you. I do have free detailed plans down below if you need those. But thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see y'all next time.